Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome to the video. Welcome to the channel. Today we're doing Bitcoin. We have to figure out what's gonna do. If it's gonna go up, gonna go down. It's in the triangle. We're gonna look at some moving averages, all that stuff. But before we go to that, how are you? Are you good? Family's good. Everything's fine. That's nice. Now listen up. We got 992 subscribers. At 1000 subscribers we are doing live stream, and you can ask all kind of questions, and ask me to do LTA and all the altcoins you want. So be sure to get the subscribe count to 1000 so we can actually do that tonight. I think tonight, yeah. Anyways, let's get into the charts and see what's happening with Bitcoin, because it's interesting. It's interesting. Everything depends on Bitcoin. Everything depends on Bitcoin, and this is either some kind of correction, accumulation phase. So we're gonna see what's happening right here. And the part is, we are in the triangle, right? So everybody knows the triangle. Everybody's seen the triangle all over the place. Depends on how you draw the triangle, how precise you are with your TA, but it's something like this, right? So right now we're gonna look at some moving averages, and this is on the this is 1 hourly, this is on the 4 hourly, and this is what's really interesting to me right now. It's how the moving averages, how the price is being pushed between the 20-50 moving average and the 100 moving average. The blue line, it's 100 moving average. Let's just remove this. The blue line is 100 moving average, and you can see here that it held it here, went up, then held it again. It broke it down, it went above it, it broke it down, it went above it. So it's been a really good support for a long time, the 100 moving average, but it's hitting is just like too many times. It's hitting too many times. Also, the 20, the red one, and the 50 moving average are pushing the price actually lower. Here it got above the 50 moving average, and I was thinking this can actually be good. But then you had this line up here, right? And then it just stopped on the resistance there. And when it stops on these kind of weak resistances, like, it doesn't have that much power to break through all the way up to the top. So basically, now it's below the 20 and 50 moving average, and it resisted here on the 20 and 50 moving average, went down to the 100, and now it's just on I like to say in the crossroads between the 20, 50 and the 100 moving average. And whatever it does over here, if it breaks above the 20 and the 50 moving average, we are good, we are golden. But if it breaks down below the 100 moving average, you can bet your sweet that is gonna go and hit 200 moving average soon, because this is the 4 hourly. It's just one time frame away from the daily that everybody is looking at. The daily looks good. The daily looks good. The daily is, we are still above the 20 moving average. You can see here it's held it really nice and clearly, but we are getting really close to it. So basically what you want to see, it's that it stays above it and just bounces off of the 20 moving average. But will that happen or not? That's to be seen. That's why everybody is so undecisive right now. They just don't know what's gonna happen. But I'm telling you, on the 4 hourly, if the price gets pushed down below the 100 moving average and the 20 and 50, and already looks like 20 and 50 is gonna cross the 100 moving average, the chances are it's gonna go lower, and it has to go only down to the 3005.2. So it has to go, let's do it like this and put some horizontal line right over here, this on the daily, and see. So you can see already here that it doesn't take that long before the line is broken over here, right? And once it's below this line over here, it's below the 20 moving average on the daily, and that's really, really bearish if we close below it. So as you can see, before we've been below it. Here we did close below it and we got lower. Here we never closed below the 20 moving average. Here we did. We were actually scared that something's gonna happen here. It didn't, but for 1, 2, 3 days it went lower, and then I managed to get above the 20 moving average and go higher up. Here we went below the 20 moving average, but still we did not close below it. So on the 4 hourly, if we close below the this line over here, that will be close below 20 moving average. I'm expecting lower prices. So if you watched my last Bitcoin video, there was some kind of supports. Let's redraw the supports where what we have here. If Bitcoin starts going lower, I mean, if it starts going higher, there's a whole another ballpark right now. But if it goes lower, what happens then? So we got I've established three support areas and one line. So I'm gonna show you. So basically, this one over here is a really good support that's held already once when Bitcoin was going all the way down here. So we're actually hoping it's gonna hold again, because this is strong support. It starts at 3.3 and goes down to 3.2, I think. 3.1, 3.2, yeah, something like that. It already held this support once and over here, and it might actually be the support we need again and then bounce off it. The next support, if it breaks through that, is down at 26, and there are also some moving averages that are saying that this can be hit if it goes lower than this. And then third support is all the way down here. This is, I know, this is people hoping it's gonna get down there so they can get more money. And the last, if it goes below this, I don't know, maybe Bitcoin is that below 19,656. If it goes below this line over here, buy Dogecoin. you know. So we got the three support areas. Everybody would like cheap prices for Bitcoin, but that's like crazy thinking. So I don't think we're gonna hit this line over here. I think this is too much to hope for. So best shot we have to get lower price below 30k is the 26 area. So I'm hoping for 26, but you never know, because the 3230 is really strong support right now, especially in this bull market, because there's a lot of interest for Bitcoin. So we have the 20 moving average, we have 50 coming up here, so this can take a while, and this can still hold, or you can just drop weak drop down here. Things can happen, you know. On 4 hourly, you can see here that the 200 moving average, if it goes below the 100 moving average, it can be called down 30,000, still in the same area. As long as it closes around this area over here, all good. Like 30, 32, that should actually hold. It's a good area. We are in the triangle. We are in the triangle, right? Depends on how you draw the triangle. Like there are other ways to draw it. But basically, if we get out of the triangle and get to this area, that's basically out of the triangle, and we should look for a further downside. So I'm looking still for 26, but if we have to retest the area here, because it went once in the area, it went it even closed below it. This on the no. Let's look on daily. 1, 2, 3 times into the area, it just went above it. So we want to see on the daily what's gonna happen here in the area. Will it actually close in the area, go below it, or what's gonna do? But first thing first, this is the 4 hourly chart. It's 26 minutes left. Maybe I should have waited 26 minutes to see where this is gonna go. But I'm making it now so I can make some kind of prediction on what's gonna happen. Because the way I see it, I think it's gonna be pushed down. I might be wrong, but I think it's gonna be pushed down. I see at least a retesting of the 3230 resistance. If it breaks below it, we can see lower levels, and only way we can hit 26 if is that's 4 hourly, that's daily. Yeah, let's look at 4 hourly. If this line is broke at 30,007, if 30,007, because it's the closes down here, not these closes over here. So basically, if we close below 30,007 on the 4 hourly, I think we can actually go all the way down to 26,000. But that would be even 26,000 is too much to hope for, you know. 35,000, where the price now 36,000, is a good buy. Everything is a good buy. I mean, when Bitcoin is 100k, you know, you're not gonna sit there. Oh, I could have bought it for 34, now I bought it for 36. You know, nobody's doing that. Nobody's doing that. So right now, this crossroads right here. That's what interests me. What's gonna happen? If it's gonna be pushed down or pushed up. Let's look at the 1 hourly. 1 hourly is above the 20 and the 50 moving average, but it's going down. It's getting resistance on the 100, because the small moving average in the small time frames doesn't matter. So you actually don't want to look at the 20, the 50, maybe 100 and 200 moving average. And you can see here it is getting resisted on the 200 moving average and pushed down closer. So we're gonna put, this is the 400, 800 moving average on the small time frames. Let's clean it up so you can see it. So it has support on the 1 hourly, on the 400 moving average. Let's see on the 4 hourly, it's not even close. 1 hourly support on the 400 moving average, but it can see here, this one is all the way down at 300. Let's use the 5-minute chart and see what's happening there. Yeah, the 800 moving average, I don't know, it looks like what has to happen for Bitcoin right now, the way I see it, it has to one way or other break above the 20 and 50 moving average. That's the only choice. It has to go above 36.3, 36.3. So if it gets above this level over here, 36.3, and closes above this level, all good. You know, even if the next hour starts going up and close here, like, you will know in the next, maybe in the next 8 hours. Like this is, no, there's 4 hours, 8 hours. Yeah, within. Yeah, today you will know what's gonna happen. I think people will know what's gonna happen today, because a moving average is push. If the price managed to get above the 20 and 50 moving average and go up to the line, there's a chance we're gonna break out of the line. But if price gets pushed below the 20 and 50, we're gonna retest this line, and the only thing we can hope for then is a bounce. Because if it breaks below this, the chance size is gonna go a lot lower. So that's what I got right now. That's what I mean, you can look at the 5-minute chart and look at the patterns and what's happening and what's not. But everything seems to me everything seems to me, if I can just click my stuff, please, thank you. Okay. Everything seems to me that it's a crossroads. Something's gonna happen. Something's gonna happen today. I think something's gonna happen today. At least we're gonna have a clear view of where the breakout is gonna come. So the moving averages are gonna help us. If we get above the moving averages on 4 hourly, we golden. If we get below it, we are not. Because how are you gonna interpret this? This is what I have a problem with. How do you? Because the moving averages are moving really fast down, while the 100 moving average is going up, right? So if the price gets resistance on the moving averages, it's gonna go like down, hard down, because the moving averages are gonna push even like harder down, right? So yeah, we have to just wait and see what's happening over here. If the price are gonna go up or down, all depends on right now on what's gonna happen. Because right now it's really hard to tell if it's gonna go up or down. Really hard to tell. It's resistance on the 200 moving average. It's below. I see the downside, but you know, but I've been wrong before. Everybody has. Stuff happens. Now I've been talking like for 10 minutes about nothing, but basically this is what we are looking at. This right here. So there you go. That's something. Also, you know. Subscribe to the channel. I need 7 more subscribers so I can do live streams, so I can do all the altcoins and S coins and all of that TI for you people. Looking forward to that because it's my day off, so I can do live stream. So yeah, I know a lot of you want me to do some coins, so just ask in the live stream. Yeah, like the video also, and comment down below. Also share the video, and then when you share the video, write in the comments on where you share the video. Go to the other technical analysis YouTubers, then share the video there, then come back, then tell in the comments that you share the video, then click the like again, click the dislike and like and dislike again, whatever you want. Everything helps the YouTube algorithm. You can also unsubscribe, then subscribe again, then tell other people to subscribe. You know, there's so much thing you can do, man. Anyways, thanks for watching. Everybody's hoping for Bitcoin, lower Bitcoin, so why not? I hope we get lower Bitcoin, man. I want to buy lower. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.